Good morning, student. Today we learn preposition. Firstly, what is preposition? A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, or to introduce an object. So we can say that prepositions are an important part of speech that shows the relation between a noun and pronoun. Means a preposition is a word that is used to show the relationship between two objects or two persons. Some examples of prepositions: in, at, on, off, to. Now I give you some examples. The pen is between the cups. The pen is between the cups. The pen is on the cup. The pen is on the cup. The notebook. The notebook is under the chair. The notebook is under the chair. The water bottle is on the table. The water bottle is on the table. She draw the picture with the crayons. She draw the picture with crayons. The girl is near the television. The girl is near the television. Now we learn simple prepositions used to describe a location, time, or place. Example: at, for, in, of, on, over, and under. The next is double preposition used with two simple prepositions. Examples: into, upon, into, or, and, from, within. Next, compound prepositions used with a simple preposition and a common word to convey location. For example, in addition to, on behalf of, and in the middle of. Students, I hope you understand it fully. Now I give you a worksheet. So student, this is your homework. Preposition of place. Complete the sentence with the preposition in the box. This is the answer and you find it and write the answer in the given space. There is some pizza dash is also filled in the box, and the second, third, fourth, fifth, you, this is your homework. So please do your homework. Thank you.